This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 1 box eBay break. May 4th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got EGBU-49 with the Panthers, John Dahman Jr. with the Redskins, BUSELL_45 with the Jets, Antfran-7773 with the Rams, JACLAR3433 with the Cardinals, CHCHA1749-NQRNKA with the Bengals, LEOD817 with the Bills, Buccaneers and Colts, Sherman105 with the Vikings, 49ers, Lions, and Titans, Bubby812936SVB with the Jaguars, Chiefs, Raiders, Eagles, and Steelers, GILMELE-34 with the Dolphins, SCCON_1233 with the Seahawks, DGrits1964 with the Patriots, Autographs_King with the Browns, DCRSOLO with the Giants, Jonathan-0 with the Bears, MAHILTIBRAN_0 with the Saints, Gunner1332 with the Chargers, MATTINNOV with the Packers, MAHILTIBRAN_0 also with the Texans, GEORLIVI with the Broncos, JARBOWLS-4 with the Cowboys, NIBRAN_27 with the Falcons, and Sherman105 also with the Ravens. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got our box right here. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. These Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmets, they're amazing. Let's get our box open. All right. All right, guys, here we go. Your Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet coming at your front and center. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And we've got... looks like... Oh, that's beautiful. The Eagles. The Eagle. Wow, what a beautiful helmet. Holy cow. Wow. How sharp looking is that? The Eagles. There is your auto right there. That is Devonta Smith. Got a Beckett COA there as well. How about that? Devonta Smith autograph. Authentic full-size helmet. Your Eagles owned by Bubby812936SVB. Congrats. Beautiful Devonta Smith. Autograph. Authentic full-size helmet. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations to the Eagles. Devonta Smith there. What a beautiful helmet. Congrats to the Eagles. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. We have a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all weekend long. Please don't miss out on those as well. Thank you so much again, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there.